Hosting server link in description. After joining the server, go to bot commands channel and follow the steps I do. All the commands will be in description. Click accept and continue the steps. Enter your username and valid email here. As you can see, our account has been created. Make sure you can receive DMs from bot for the password. As you can see, I got my credentials from the bot. Let's copy the email and password so we can log in to the hostings panel. As you can see, I logged into my account, but I have no server. Let's make one now. I will provide command in description, or you can simply type it. Choose the server type you want and select it from drop down below, and your server will be created. As you can see, my server has been created. Now let's access it from the panel. You can see my server is being installed. Make sure to change password. Enter your old password here and new password below. Click Update Password and you are good to go. Re-login and you will be able to access your server. As you can see, my server has been installed.